actually a blow dryer brush. It has cool, low, and high heat settings on it. First, the brush wash. Look like I straightened my hair. It's that smooth. I'll be back with the finished product. So here's a before and after. And this took me not even 10 minutes. So it was pretty quick and easy. And it's really straight and dry. It'll normally take me about 30 minutes for probably one side. So I did this one in 3 sections, and I'm curious to know how big of a section I can do. So I'm gonna try to do all this and see how that goes. So I did the same thing. I split it into 3 different sections, parted into 3s, and did it that way. And it's all dry. Can run my fingers right through it. The only thing is the heat protector made it a little, it feels kind of weighed down. But other than that, it's a good blowout. Normally scared of like brushes as far as hair tools like blow dryers and curlers, but it said it's for textured hair, so that's why I picked it up. And I do like it. I actually like it. And I think as far as blow drying my hair, this is what I'll be using from now on. Bye.